comes the tree.
Hillbilly Pyro here. We're going to do this tree. Festivus for the rest of us. Alright, here we go. Before it gets irreparably waterlogged. I don't know how well my camera's going to come out with this rain. Oh, it's friggin' rain! I don't get too close to it because there was a boomer on it. Yeah. Yeah. Fucking rain. Happy 4th of July. In the rain. Sweetness. I'm not going to be able to record the whole thing, but this is the opener, and it's still raining like hell on all my 500 grams, like it does every year. I don't know if that must have got them all, man. Now, there's a few things that must not have lit. Maybe. I think some stuff up there didn't go. Alright, ready for the rack experiment? Let's hit this pipe all the way off before it gets too wet. Hopefully they won't jump. Better watch, bro. That was nice. Pissing the fucking rain. I hate this rain. Alright. Bloodbath. Just because it's cool. Man, this rain's pissing me off.
I protected most of the shit here, dude.
I appreciate it. Let's go ahead and hit a Brainiac since it's here.
Since it's sitting there getting wet.
Setting off fireworks in the rain. All year long it's good, but nah, not today.
40%. Here we are.
40% my ball sack. Beautiful. Wow. Guys, I swear what, we need to go back down to the house and just wait this out. This rain ain't gonna let up. So far it ain't. Got nothing but pissing me right off. Had a little bit of thunder, that shit. Yeah, we do too, man. We ain't getting nowhere like this.
Everything's running.
Yeah. I'm just cleaning out my hands. Fucking rain.